Have you ever heard of the Sleepy Hollow cocktail? Probably not, since I just made it up. Anyhow, you take any clear martini recipe of your choice. I love a lemon drop, so you can have a little bit of a fog to it. You're going to do the 2 ounces of good vodka. I eyeball it, as everybody knows. 1 shot of triple sec, some lemon juice. Voila. You could also use a cranberry if you want to do a cosmopolitan, but then it sounds true. Sleepy Hollow. Then you're gonna melt marshmallows in a bowl in the microwave and have a cool towel kind of around. You're gonna take the glass and kind of go all the way around it like this. And it'd be good to have a wet cloth so you can still maneuver. So there's 1, but you just go around the rim of the glass and you pull it around and manipulate it to how much you want on there. Wipe your hands, because you're gonna have marshmallow everywhere. Shake. Pour in. And then the last part of this delicious cocktail, the piece de resistance, is 1 tiny drop of black, maybe 2. And voila, there's your spooky cocktail. Cheers, Mackenzie.